abo bakwasirwe bwa nyuma y'aba State House Anti-Corruption okukora okucondoza kurukumara kwabona bashashuza beji fees erengeserize kitari kwikirizibwa kandi abakwasirwe harimu Herbert Musasizi mukuru w'ishomereri hamwe na Padre Twesigye chairman wa PTA.
Kasokwatirwa kwa abatuuze babiri omuli Mwami Musasizi Herbert oyo ng'akolanga omukulu w'essomero lya Kebison Integrated Primary School ne Mwami Twesigye Padre nga chairman wa PTA akwatiddwa ekya State House Anti-Corruption Unit.
Kisache ayonjire yagira ngo nga polisi na State House Anti-Corruption kubaraheze kukora okucondoza kwabo ababiri abo baza kutwarwa mu kooti.
Guno gwengo okulabula eri abakulembeze b'amasomero bonna omukulembeze gwona babadde akiteekawo ng'akyogera mu kwogera okw'enjawulo ng'alabula kyamateeka gajja bakolako gatandise bakolako.
Abakwasirwe tibikirizibwe kugambiraho kamera ziitu ahabwa enshonga y'ebyokwerinda.
Abasomesa bonna n'abakulu b'amasomero abakyakola omuze guno bagukomye bunnambiro kuba omukono gwa gavumenti amateeka gatandise okuluma.
Nabwo muri rukunziri omuhezi wa RDC Wilberforce Ngoma himbisibwe arugire yayanga kutongoza za kamena ahabwa enshonga ngo tubakazitire emizi kandi ebi abyanjire obucontractor bire nayenda kukwasa ba districts za kamena ezo mu butongore. Project egi neshajukwa World Bank rukurabiro Ministry y'ebyamizi hamwe na n'ebyobuhangwa.
We use a lot of energy to reach here. Okay. So I don't have the guarantee that whatever is incomplete will be completed. Secondly, as Rukunjeri district local government, we are not on hurry. You first complete your things, then you hand over. Because this is a waterborne toilet, there is no water. What are you handing over now?
Ongoma yonjire yarabura ba contractor okurekeraho kuzanara hamtwe y'abantu na nuko basisira ubwire.
Wowe utaka mazire watwetera ki? Why do you waste our time to call us for commissioning or taking hand over when you are not ready?
Now, during this period, anything that was not done, that is not yet completed, the contractor will continue and finish it. And any defect that comes in, as I had explained, the contractor will still come and look at that.
When did you said last week? Yes.
Because and when are they promising?
We are not sure.
Mr. Commissioner, me, I'm not ready.
Fact now they don't have
This is a waterborne toilet.
Project egi nekorwa ba Vidas Engineering Services Company Limited kandi neza kumara sente ziri kurenga biliyoni 5. Amakuru agagasha kwa Dana Basibi.